These productivity hacks are getting people fired. Don't let your boss see this. Your co-workers are getting fired. They don't even know why. But I do. There's a secret happening right now. People are using hidden productivity features. Features their bosses never wanted them to find. Sarah from accounting? Gone last week. She was using AI meeting summarizers. Her boss found out she hadn't been taking notes for months. Just letting AI do everything. Mike in marketing? Fired yesterday. He'd been using automated email responses. Clients thought they were talking to him. They were talking to a machine. Here's what's really happening. These tools make you too efficient. Your boss starts wondering what you actually do. When everything's automated, where's your value? But here's the insane part. The people who aren't getting fired? They're using the same tools. They just know the secret. They hide their efficiency. They deliver work slowly on purpose. They make it look like effort. Take Chrome's tab grouping feature. Sounds innocent, right? Wrong. People are organizing dozens of tasks simultaneously. Finishing 8 hours of work in 2. Then sitting there pretending to be busy. There's a hidden Gmail feature. Smart Compose Plus. It writes entire emails for you. Perfectly crafted responses in seconds. Your boss thinks you're a communication genius. Notion's AI blocks? They're writing entire reports. Project plans. Strategy documents. All invisible to management. Calendly has secret automation rules. They're scheduling, rescheduling, and managing entire workflows. Without human intervention. Here's what happened to David. Developer at a Fortune 500 company. He found GitHub Copilot's advanced features. Started writing code 10 times faster. Management noticed his productivity spike. They investigated. Found out he was using AI assistants. Fired him for misrepresenting his capabilities. The crazy part? His replacement uses the same tools. Just hides it better. Excel has hidden AI functions. Most people don't know they exist. They're buried in Power Query. These functions analyze data instantly. Create complex reports automatically. Jennifer used them for quarterly analysis. What used to take weeks? Done in hours. Her boss got suspicious. Started monitoring her screen time. She couldn't explain the efficiency gap. Lost her job. Slack has secret workflow automation. It's connecting apps, triggering actions, managing entire processes. People are running departments from their phones. But here's the thing. Companies are starting to detect these tools. They're monitoring browser extensions. Tracking unusual productivity patterns. There's software now that flags superhuman performance. If you're suddenly too good, You're flagged for investigation. The people surviving? They're strategic. They use the tools for preparation, not execution. They research faster, plan better. But they still show their work. They deliberately introduce delays, strategic inefficiencies. They make sure their improvement looks natural. Smart workers are using AI to become better, not to replace themselves. They're enhancing judgment, not automating it. Here's the brutal truth. These productivity tools aren't just changing how we work. They're creating a new class system. Those who know the tools versus those who don't. Those who hide their efficiency versus those who flaunt it. The gap is getting massive. And it's happening right now. Your company probably has hidden features you've never seen, buried in software you use every day. Tools that could revolutionize your workflow. But using them wrong? Career suicide. The question isn't whether to use these tools. Everyone's already using them. The question is whether you know how to use them safely. Because tomorrow, I'm revealing the underground network where people share these techniques. Where they teach each other how to be superhuman without getting caught. The name of this network will shock you.